Hey guys, today we're going to be jumping into the video. As you can see, I'm going to be going over a complete A to Z how to get started in day trading. So if you were like me about 4 years ago, I had a hard time getting started day trading. I had the initial idea was, I wanted to start day trading, but I didn't know how exactly to get started. After, countless months of watching YouTube videos, reading books, I finally had like a decent grip on what it was to become a trader. But it took me a long time, and there was that really hard barrier to entry, so I wasn't able to actually become, the quote-unquote day trader for a very long time. Now, before we get into this video, guys, I just want to say, make sure if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. It sure helps me out a ton, grow my channel, and I really want to provide, this information that I do provide for you is for free. I don't charge anything, so just sharing this with one person, helps me out a ton. So we're gonna get started in this video, guys, and number one, just to start off, is that you need to have a reason. You need to have a reason for why you want to become a day trader. And now this reason is so important because it needs to be a reason. All right, are you paying attention? It needs to be a reason other than making money. Okay, now this might sound kind of like crazy to think about. Ryan, what do you mean? Like, day trading is all about making money? Yes, the point of trading stocks is for financial, better your financial status, better your finances, better your life, right? Now, this is what most people won't tell you. Most traders won't tell you. People selling courses, all that won't trade you, is that you need to have a reason other than making money. Now, this reason is important because when you aren't making money, when you're struggling, when you're right off the bat and you think you're going to buy a Lambo tomorrow, but you aren't, having this reason is going to keep you in the game. And what separates the winners from the losers is the people who decide to stay in the game the longest and are able to hold through the learning curve, because that's, that can be, a few months, a year, until you really get the hang of things. So figure out your reason. For me, my reason is I just love it. I have a pure passion for it. But, more than that, I enjoy finances. I enjoy investing. I enjoy everything that comes with economics. So that's my reasoning. If you were to ask me, that would be it. Number two, you need to have a platform, right? You can't just trade, like, you can't just trade off paper, how it is Wolf on Wall Street, something like that. You have to have an actual account or brokerage setup. So make sure you have a brokerage setup. I use Thinkorswim with TD Ameritrade. It's a great platform for anyone getting started because there is this thing called simulation trading, which we're going to get into later. So get a platform. There's a ton out there. I'm going to be making a video of commission free. It's $1 to trade, and you can trade as many times as you'd like. There are no PDT rule, even if you make or even if you have less than $25,000. So it's actually really valuable tool. And if you guys want to know more about that, go ahead and hit the comments below and say, I want to learn more about this platform that you're talking about, just so it reminds me to make a video about it. So next step is that you need to have a mentor, right? You need to have a mentor. Either, for me, it was books and YouTube videos, and for you it might be someone on YouTube. It could very well be me. I would love to be your mentor. I'd love to help you learn more about day trading. I would love to teach you about stock market and all things investing. It is a passion of mine. Like I said, I don't charge anything for this. It's just something I actually enjoy. So that is the next step. And after that, you need to identify what type of trader you're going to be. Are you going to be a swing trader? Are you going to be an investor? Are you going to be a day trader? Are you going to be a momentum day trader? Are you going to be a technical trader? If you don't know what those type of differentiated traders are, just go ahead and search them real quick, Google it. I'm not going to break them all down because I want to make this video short and to the point. I personally am a technical trader. I trade off patterns, history, and MACD, RSI, all that good stuff. So if you want to follow my footsteps, I would love to teach you in my footsteps. I would love to teach you all the things that I know. Become a technical trader. So you know what type of trader you are. You know who you're going to follow. You know where you're going to get your information from. You know how you're going to learn, and you have a reason. So now comes the fun part. Time and learning. Okay, how many people do you know who are in college? Okay, How many of those people are in college for more than 4 years? Now think about that. You go to college for 4 years, and at the end of it, you come out making not even a guaranteed amount of 50,000, maybe 75, 80,000 if you're lucky, right? So why, after one course and 2 YouTube videos, does that mean you're gonna start making 100,000 a year? It's not. I'm gonna tell you right now that it's going to take time and knowledge. Now, if you'd like to learn how to trade quicker than others, and if you'd like to learn how to trade without risk, start simulation trading. If you don't know what that is, I have a video posted about that. I'll make sure to link it in the description. Learn about simulation trading. It's paper money where you are literally not risking any of your own money. It's just a learning platform. I would recommend 6 months of that if you're serious. 6 months, guys. And if you're not willing to risk 6 months, then I'm just gonna be honest with you, you're gonna wipe out your account, you're gonna blow it up like everyone else does. So you have all your steps for how to become a day trader. Now you need to know when you're ready to actually execute and really dive in. Until you have all those steps figured out, you are not ready. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna shoot you straight. If you aren't prepared, if you aren't ready, you might even this is the worst part that I see. You might become successful. You might pick the right stock off of, some Google ad or something that you saw that says buy Tesla today, everyone's buying it. That is not being a trader. That is just following others. What are you gonna do when people tell you to invest in a stock? You do it and it plummets and it doesn't go the way you think. You're not gonna know why, you're not gonna know how. So you're really putting yourself in a tight spot by listening to others. So put all those things together, guys. If you would like my personal assistance, if you would like for me to be your mentor, if you resonate well with me, if you think that we could get along, I would love to help you. Just go ahead and message me down below in the comments section. Make sure to like the video as well. Follow me on Instagram and DM me on there so we can get connected. I really want to help others learn. I really have a value for it, and I would love to teach you how to trade. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're continuing your future for becoming a day trader. I promise you it's a lot easier than people make it out to be. It's very simple to get started day trading stocks. If someone like me who has struggled in high school, struggled in college, is able to come out making, $200 to $500 a day, I promise you that you can as well. It's just sticking to it and riding it out. Thank you guys for watching again, and if there's anything I can do to help, please let me know.